Today, we are going to dive into the fascinating world of irregular verbs. These are verbs that don't follow the regular pattern when it comes to forming their past tense and past participle. So, without further ado, let's explore 100 irregular verbs and their different forms.
Here is a list of 100 irregular verbs, including their base form, past tense and past participle.
Arise, arose, arisen. Awake, awoke, awoken. Be, was, were, been. Bear, bore, born, born. Beat, beat, beaten.
Become, became, become. Begin, began, begun. Bend, bent, bent. Bet, bet, bet. Bind, bound, bound.
Bite, bit, bitten. Bleed, bled, bled. Blow, blew, blown. Break, broke, broken. Bring, brought, brought.
Build, built, built. Burst, burst, burst. Buy, bought, bought. Cast, cast, cast. Catch, caught, caught.
Choose, chose, chosen. Cling, clung, clung. Come, came, come. Cost, cost, cost. Creep, crept, crept.
Cut, cut, cut. Deal, dealt, dealt. Dig, dug, dug. Dive, dove, dived, dived. Do, did, done.
Draw, drew, drawing. Drink, drank, drunk. Drive, drove, driven. Eat, ate, eaten. Fall, fell, fallen.
Feed, fed, fed. Feel, felt, felt. Fight, fought, fought. Find, found, found. Flee, fled, fled.
Fling, flung, flung. Fly, flew, flown. Forbid, forbade, forbidden. Forget, forgot, forgotten. Forgive, forgave, forgiven.
Forsake, forsook, forsaken. Freeze, froze, frozen. Get, got, gotten. Give, gave, given. Go, went, gone.
Grind, ground, ground. Grow, grew, grown. Hang, hung, hung. Have, had. Hear, heard.
Hide, hid, hidden. Hit, hit. Hold, held, held. Hurt, hurt. Keep, kept. Kneel, knelt. Knit, knitted, knitted. Know, knew, known. Lay, laid. Led, led.
Leap, leaped. Learn, learned. Leave, left. Lend, lent. Let.
Lie, lay, lain. Light, lit. Lose, lost. Make, made. Mean, meant.
Meet, met. Mow, mowed. Overcome, overcame. Overtake, overtaken. Pay, paid.
Plead, pleaded, pled. Prove, proved, proven, proved. Put. Quit. Read.
Rent. Rid. Ride, rode, ridden. Ring, rung. Rise, rose, risen.
Run, ran, run. saw, sawed, sawn, sawed. Say, said, said. See, saw, seen. Seek, sought, sought.
Sell, sold, sold. Send, sent, sent. Set, set, set. Sue, sued, sewn, sued. Shake, shook, shaken.
So there you have it, 100 irregular verbs in English. Remember, irregular verbs can be a bit tricky, but with practice, you'll become more comfortable using them.
If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more grammar lessons, and leave a comment with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the future. Until next time, happy learning.